Hello everyone, this is Unofficial Android. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will be reviewing the Sony WI-C200 earphones. First of all, we'll talk about the physical overview, then about the battery and the Bluetooth version, and last we'll talk about the comfort level and the sound quality. So let's start with the physical overview. In the box, we get two things. This earphones, this is a behind the neck design earphones and without a band. You can see these are the headphones with having a band, and these are without the band. Second is a 20 centimeter in length cable. It is a type C cable. At this part of the earphone you can see it is a type C USB input, and here are the controls on one plug. There's plus, minus, and next, previous, and the power button. Long press on this button will get you to the blinking of blue light, and it will search for the previously paired device. If it gets the previously paired device, then it will automatically connect to the last connected device. Otherwise it will wait around 30 to 40 seconds, you can say, or max to max 1 minute. I don't know the exact value, and then you will be able to pair it with other device. Otherwise there is no option to connect it to any other device by clicking any hardware buttons that are available. On the tips of the earbuds you can see there is a little bit magnet so that they can be stuck together when you are wearing them around the neck. I'll show you in a video. And on this part of the earphones there is nothing. There is only just the Sony branding and some certifications branding only. So let's keep it on side. So now let's talk about the battery and the Bluetooth version. As per the company, it says that it will take around 3 hours to charge, and about it will give a 15 hours of usage for the communication mode. As per the communication mode, they are only saying if you are using these earphones for calling purpose, then you will be able to get 15 hours of backup. However, during my usage I was able to get around 12 to 13 hours at max while using it for listening purpose, listening to music, and sometime for calling also. And charging time is I haven't checked it accurately, but it charged very well, very quick. If I have usually charged it from 50% to 100 and 70 to 100. It takes around half an hour to 1 hour for 1 hour for 50 to 100, and that's it. It says 100%, but actually when you use them it drops to 70% very soon. Second is the Bluetooth version. It is specified it is 5.0 version, and it has a range of 10 meter, around 30 feet, and also support the voice assistants. It supports voice assistant, but the Bluetooth range is not that good, because if there is any wall in between the connected device and the Bluetooth earphones, then the range is little bit less as defined by the website. So let's enter into the third phase. In this phase we will talk about the connection and the comfort of the earphones. So let me turn on the device, and you can see I'm turning on my Bluetooth settings and connecting to the earphones. Meanwhile, I'll let you know the pros and cons of this device. The pros are like the sound quality is very good, treble and vocal, crisp and clear. It also supports the quick charging. You can see now the blue light has been stopped, the indicator. It means it is connected. And third, battery backup is very nice. It also supports the voice assistant, and look is also a premium one. And if you are carrying a Sony earphones, it feels good instead of any other random company. Now if we talk about the let's first hear the music. So you have listened to the sound. Let's talk about the cons the device is having. The bass of the device is not as good as it is on some other JBL speakers, JBL earphones you can say. And the earplugs, when you plug them in your ear, you feel like there is no air passage left, and you feel like it is fully covered and there is no breathing, ear breathing is possible. The Bluetooth connection to a new device is kind of a difficult thing for this device. When you are connecting to any other device, instead before disconnecting to the same device, you will have some problems and you need to wait for the device to automatically say that you are ready for pairing to another device. The magnetic tip is also a weak on these edges, and the balancing of earphone around the neck is very kind of a difficult because of this part. One side is heavy and one side not heavy, but whenever you are wearing around the neck, instead of band, the neck is not much comfortable as compared to the band. And there is no functions with the magnetic tip as there were with the Realme earphones, that whenever you take out these earphones, the sound stops. So this is all about what I have experienced. Share your experience in the comment section and please let us know if you have any queries regarding the earphones. There is a similar version of this earphones with glossy finish, that is WI-C200. You can also purchase that. If we talk about the price of this earphones, as per the website it is 2490, and if you will purchase this on Amazon or Flipkart kind, then it is around 2000 rupees. Thank you guys. If you have any queries, please let me know. Bye bye, take care.